General Productions.
I don't even take it seriously, I'm just trying to put the bear for real. I'm on triple A game like batteries. I'll blitz your whole crew, don't be mad at me. I'll blitz no crew, they come at me like, hey, I'm Gojo, I can't be touched though. They call me generally, cause generally I'm sick on this beat. Call it medically. Speak on the Boise for real? You want us to hop out the toys for real? Hop out, we shoot, we loot. With only like half of the crew. Reals, it's been 88 years where you tripping. On that matter? I'll shoot like KD from the hip end. My body count higher than yours. How's that make sense? Screaming free Hugo to this backwards. The ops got put in a backwards. Like Cam, where you got that many ops? Best believe I come correct. Like a nerd in maths. Can't know about that. It's all fun and games to the lyrical switch, the lyrical blick, and the lyric in the competition.